The Shiloh General Store. Wow. Let's go check this place out here in North Carolina. And here are their store hours. Let's go check it out. Whoa. Oh, mercy. Rows and rows of goodies. Candies. Soup mixes. And everything. Anything their heart desires. Flowers. Dark rye flour, white rye flour. All-purpose flour. Light buckwheat flour. Oats. Barley, barley. Anything for your baking needs. Any kind of seasoning that you would want. Any kind of seasoning. Oh, I could spend all day in here. Get your hat. Doilies. All different kinds of meats and fishes. Sausages. Pies. Oh, look at the pies. Jim would have a fit in here. Pie, pie, pie. Bacons. Cheeses. Cajun crab dip. The prices are very good and very reasonable. Eggs, farm, fresh eggs. Cream. Milk. Local farm. Oh, look at the pies. Chocolate cream pie. German chocolate pie. Apple pies. Coconut cream. Oh my. This store has everything. Back here at the deli. Cheeses. All kinds of chips. And look, homemade breads. I can't make no homemade bread. If you want to build a house, contact me. My breads turn out like bricks. Cinnamon rolls. They do make sandwiches here. Candies, any kind of snack foods. Salsas, jellies and jams. Look at the different types of pasta. All Amish made. Look at the little Raggedy Ann and Andy's. Quilt up there. A double wedding ring for $8.75. Lone Star. The wedding ring. Look at it all. And look at all those goodies to go with it. You got our sandwiches ordered and we're waiting on them. I got all kinds of goodies. You want to see them? I got me pecan pie and some bread and some bacon, apple butter, and salsa. So if you're ever here in North Carolina, come check out the Shiloh General Store. We're getting ready to have our lunch with our sandwiches and chips. I got me some pies and some bread. Ooh, it was only $49 for everything I had in my basket. Got this sandwich. Oh my goodness, that is big. Oh my goodness, looks good. Now we're going to take a bite and find out how good this is. Good sandwich. Pie hard with all the fixings. Can't beat it. So until next time, always remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So let's get out and enjoy life. Find these little hidden gems alongside the road, or out in your town, or somewhere in your state. Until next time, we'll see ya. Sit on the porch and relaxing with your sandwich and your chips and your soda pop. And enjoy the afternoon at the Shiloh General Store in North Carolina. Miss Abby wants to say a big thank you to the Howe family for showing us beautiful North Carolina.